Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers in the 2013 Jeep Wrangler. It's an awesome looking set. Surface Toxic for the insert, HD 1000 black trim, super durable fabrics to keep this Jeep just ready for the outdoor adventures. Let's check it out. All right, so let's check out these fabrics. Again, super durable, they're waterproof, and just gonna last a long time, protect the seats underneath here. This is the Surface Toxic for the insert, a high denier count. This is a 600 denier for the insert. The trim is actually a 1000 denier. That's why we call it the HD 1000, heavy duty 1000. 1000 denier. Again, denier count is all about how many threads per square inch there are, and that means that there's a lot of thread, so it just makes it a lot more durable and it kind of gives it more of a canvas type look and feel to it. So really durable, waterproof, great covers inside here. This green really pops because there's a cool green to this Jeep, and so this was a great color combo to really match up the Jeep here and make this pop. And this green just pops inside here. I love it. Check out this headrest cover, how it just really fits it on nice and tight. Flaps underneath here to close up the bottom side, and just finishes out on this upper section of the backrest, trims out really nice and tucks underneath there. So just a really nice, clean look and completely protected. Let's check out this side bolster right here. This is made out of the HD 1000 black fabric, super durable. Again, 1000 denier, heavy duty trim side right here. As you get in and out, this is what gets the most wear and tear out of all the pieces on your seats and on the seat covers. So you want a real durable fabric on the outside here. This customer, they really beat up their seats. So they said, hey, give us the most durable fabric you have. So we went with the HD 1000 right here on the outside. Really good durable fabric right there, in and out. And again, the black and the green just pops with this vehicle. Looks really nice. Here is the console lid cover. Again, also in the HD 1000 fabric. Trims out really nice and tight right there. So it just protects that as you're driving. Your right arm, your elbow can sit on this original material here and wear through it. So it's good to have a cover protecting that. So just a nice tight fitting cover. This one doesn't actually have Velcro straps on the underside. It just pops over, just caps like this, and just finishes out really nice and tight like that. Now, we didn't do a lot of custom options on this particular set of seat covers, but if you're interested in storing guns, extra gear, or personalizing your setup with custom headrest logos, check that out on our website. We offer a lot of really cool custom options to really personalize it and add additional storage options. Thanks for watching. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. To see more, you need to go check out coversandcamo.com. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, go jump over to coversandcamo.com.